What's going on, YouTube? Royce Cards here, back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at Commander Legends. Sorry about the little camera shake there, but we'll just get right into it. There's the box design if you guys haven't seen it before. Looks pretty cool, but anyways, the cards that you're looking for in this set are the Jeweled Lotus, Mana Drain. There I go again, hitting the camera, sorry. Vampiric Tutor and Sakashima are the bigger cards that you can grab out of this set now. I have seen a bunch of videos on this lately, and sorry, it looks like there is mapping on some of the boxes, so I'm hoping that where I purchased this from there wasn't anything like that, but oh, there I go again. Sorry about that. Fingers crossed we at least hit some of the big cards here. Essentially, mapping is where they can find where the good cards are, like the Mana Drains and the Jeweled Lotuses and everything, and they find those and then they sell the rest of the boxes. So I don't think it'll happen here. I'm trying to stay positive, but we'll just go through the uncommons and obviously the rares and mythics. Rare Armored Sky Hunter. And Makeshift Munitions foil and a token. So we'll just throw those right there. Alright, so I did grab two of these boxes, so I will be opening up both of them on the channel, so hopefully we can at least hit one of those big three that I was talking about in either of these. I'll just bypass the commons here. Alright. Siren, Scaled Behemoth, Necrotic Hex, rare. Trying to put that down through the camera didn't go so well. And foil Captain's Call. These packs are absolutely like packed. The 20 cards per pack is crazy. Alright, we'll start flying through these. Vow, Lore Seeker, Victimize, Emberwild Captain, rare. Obika Brute Chronologist, holy. 2 rare pack, and then Armory of Iris. Alright. Bypass the commons. I didn't look in the common or uncommon slot for any good cards. I essentially bought these boxes just trying to pull some of the big three there, like I was saying you. Arcane Signet. I think this is actually not too bad. I could be wrong on that one. Sakashima's Will. That's a good rare, I believe. Abomination. And my apologies for the lighting here. I had my blinds open. Of course. Sorry about that. Prava. And uncommon Numa. And you're gonna have to give me one sec. I thought I had my light on, but it was because I had my blinds open. I apologize for that. Not a professional here. Just like to crack some boxes and trading cards and whatnot for you guys. So you can still see some of the light come through. Court of Ambition, rare. Common foil, Farhaven, elf. Just, oh boy, sorry, the big pile is already fallen over on me. Let me put those over there. Holy, these are difficult to try to get open here. I mean, I hate doing this, but my hands are so sweaty. Holy, I am butchering this pack. Well, good thing that only happened to the token card. Sorry about that. I'm definitely going to have to continue to work on this camera angle because I find it a little too high up, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Correct. Cursive Recruiter. Holy jeez. Kodama of the East Tree and foil Spark Tongue Dragon. We'll fix these piles. I'm just going to put them like that. Here we go. Almost on the first row here. Sorry about this video. It's been all over the place. This literally just showed up and I was just like, perfect. I just want to open it. And there's the light again, of course. A chrome as well. Dalise, Halana, Workshop Assistant, foil, and the Prismatic Piper. I think this is another good one too. Nice. Not a bad little pack there. Keep on working our way through these here. If I can, and I've gone and hit the camera again. I don't know. Let me know if you guys like this one or the tripod setup. Like I like this one. It just, I think the stand that I got is, I don't know. I gotta play around with it some more. But sorry about this. It is so hot where I am right now. It's crazy. Mythic, Mnemonic Deluge. Nice. We got Togo and a rare Zara Renegade Recruiter. Here's a rare foil, very nice. Archelos Lagoon Mystic. And the token. So that wasn't too bad of a pack. Oh my goodness. Come on. Did I get it there? I did. Zoom by the commons and the uncommons. Austere commands. Rare. Trove Tracker foil. Alright, so it's not looking too good right now in this box. There we go. Which is unfortunate. I hope we didn't get that situation. But it could just be, you know, an unlucky box, just like any box break can be. Oops. Vampiric Tutor, right when I say it. There we go. Let's go. So once you get one of these, one of the mythics, like those big three, you're not gonna get one of the other ones. So I believe that's the lower of the three, but I cannot complain. I pulled one, so Guildless Commons. So that's awesome. Sorry if the volume for your headphone users, if you are wearing the headphones, you probably just got blasted. I apologize. I've been told my reactions for big cards are not, they're not good enough. Just saying nice isn't good enough. So I was pretty pumped to see that. It always happens right when you go, oh, did I get one of those boxes that's mapped or, but I figured where I bought it from was a good place. Elvis Dreadlord, Livio Oathsworn, and a common foil Ambush Viper. So yeah, that's awesome. Vampiric Tutor. Will not complain about that at all. Oops. I am all over the place this morning. I was just so happy to get this command tower. I think that's not a bad one. I just want to take a look. I'm just trying to recall Sakashima's protege, and I've hit the camera again. I'm so sorry, guys. I gotta figure this out for you, though. It's still shaking. Sorry about that. Jeez. Goblin Trailblazer, and there's the Prismatic Piper again. So maybe this isn't. We'll just put it in that pile. I don't know if that's worth something or not, but that's just something for me to take a look at after. I thought in the videos that I was watching for them that the other breakers were like, oh, this one's pretty good, and like that Arcane Signet, and they'd always bring up Command Tower the first time they open it, so I was like, all right, maybe I'll just point out these ones. We got Disc. We'll just leave it at that. And common foil Mallfield Twins. All right. So we got 2 mythics so far, bunch of rares. See if we can get some more going here. Immaculate Magistrate, and I've done it again. I'm sorry. Nimmerus, Una's Trickster, and Staff of Domination, rare foil. It's nice. I'll most likely try to shoot another video right after this, but if it's on a different view, it's because I'm very upset at myself for Court of Cunning for continuously hitting this camera on you guys. Quain, rare. Holy, triple rare pack. Gore, Baldric, uncommon foil. There's the Piper again. If you guys know what the S stands for at the bottom of this card, let me know. I'll obviously take a look into it, but knowing me, I'll forget. But yeah, let me know. Right. Hellkite Courser, Mythic, very nice. Ghost, Hans Eriksson, rare. Tome, there we go. I've hit it again a little bit there. All right, last stack here of the first box of Commander Legends. The other one will be in another video because I am very slow at opening boxes, and I've hit it again. It's like in the worst spot, I find. Like I just need to set it up way better. Like I don't know. Body of Knowledge, rare. Kelith, Ancestral Blade, common foil. That one's like a thicker one, felt like. It's just, yeah, the thing's just in the worst spot, and I just can't find a good area that I like, where the view down is nice, and I'm just comfortable opening it. I didn't mind the tripod view, but this view I think is a lot better for the unboxings, but I'll figure it out. Spectator seating. No, and Corpse Churn, common foil. We'll just put those right there. I'm just glad that we pulled a Vampiric Tutor, honestly, in the end here. It helps a lot to try and pull one of those top cards. Archon of Coronation Mythic. Jessica Mythic, 2 Mythic pack. Very nice. Common for a Wild Heart Invoker. Oh, I like the look of that card. Yeah, maybe this Prismatic Piper isn't good, because that's like, what, 5 or 6? But, don't matter, something for me to take a look at afterwards, or you guys can let me know down below in the comments. And if you guys have made it this far, thanks for putting up with my amateur videos and amateur knowledge of the stuff. I try to do as much research as I can, but sometimes I just Rings of Bright Earth, not as good as the other ones out there. Nothing. And Quain, rare foil. But yeah, no, I do appreciate all the support I've seen on the channel. It really helps out, and just the motivation too. It's like, all right, there's people out there that actually do like to watch the videos and see me hit the camera, see me have poor lighting, as you can see, and see me mispronounce words, and gotta love it. Court of Ire. And we got a Numa uncommon. Like, the lighting is all over the place this video too. It's what a video. This is where the comments just start bashing you, But I'm having fun though, it's alright. That's what it's all about. Biowaste Blob. Nice name. Archeolos Lagoon Mystic. Rare, yep. Inspiring Roar. Perfect. Yeah, we've obviously slowed down, like I said. Once you get that Vampiric Tutor, Mana Drain, or the Jeweled Lotus, your box is pretty much done, unless you can get that Sakashima, and I'm sure there's other decent cards in this set, but I just didn't take a look at them. Command Beacon, rare. And I've done it again. Natural Reclamation. And we got our last pack here of this Commander Legends draft box. With the lighting everywhere, the camera shaking. Roy pronouncing card names awful like usual. Blade Griff Prototype. Urlock. Path of Ancestry common foil. So that's it for the first box. Like I said, everyone, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for putting up with me. I appreciate all the support. And until the next video, everyone, take care.